Hello, it's Melissa and Mickey here. I am here at the beautiful Disney Wilderness Lodge Resort. Now, today is a very different day than what you're used to seeing because Hurricane Ian is here. Yes, as quick as I could, I booked a club level room in the beautiful Disney Wilderness Lodge because I knew we had to shelter in place. The parks are closed for 2 days, and I thought, what better place to be than the Wilderness Lodge? We've already had mimosas, we've had champagne, we've had food offerings, and I've just made myself a latte macchiato from the beautiful machine. So make sure that you see all my tours from this week, the club level, the Old Faithful Club. Yes, I've been here before, and I've got lots of footage up, but this time it's going to be with Hurricane Ian. So we're expecting in a couple of hours now, we are seeing a little bit of rain. It has started blowing, not much yet. It is only 2 o'clock. We're expecting in the next 2 to 4 hours, the eye is going to get pretty close to us. So meanwhile, let's go tour club level 2 Queen Courtyard View 7055. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You guys know you need to book with a Disney expert, and I will be happy to assist you. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. 7055, let's go. Here is the beautiful Wilderness Lodge 2 Queen Room Courtyard View. We're gonna pan the room, and yes, we've brought all of our luggage in. And what was funny to me is we get in the room and look, the patio furniture has been brought in because Ian is arriving soon. We don't want that to fly away. All right, so we've got, let's start here, 2 queen beds. And underneath, you know, we have the storage. Now, we were over at another resort training earlier. I noticed their beds did not have the storage underneath. It was not a Disney resort. But yes, so I am very thankful we have that. We have a table here in the middle with bedside table with drawers, our phone. Here we have regular and USB ports, which are great. We can turn on the lights here. Whew, I love that. These rooms are really pretty. Kind of a shaker style, if you will. We've got some molding up top, nice. And we've got our bags here, but we've got 2 chairs. We have a nesting table, which is nice. Like the mirror, turn on the lights for you. Very pretty. We have our flat screen TV. Welcome Giles party. We have our drawers here. Nice. Got my rain jacket in there. It was raining outside. Very nice. One of the features I like, let's see, I'm going to turn it on and see if that's, oh yeah, on off. There it is. You can turn this really pretty feature on and off. Hopefully you guys can see that. Just makes it really nice. You can leave that on at night. Makes a nice glow. I like the cabin sign there. Little side table. And here we have our kitchenette, if you will. We have our Keurig coffee machine. We have our ice bucket. Now you can do your Keurig if you want, but if you know Melissa Giles, we go down to the club lounge and we have lattes, so that's awesome. I do like the fact that Disney has thought of every detail. We do have ceramic mugs here if you choose. We have Joffrey's decaf and regular coffee here. We have tea. We have Coffee Mate, and then we also have disposable cups. Now, you know you're in club level, so if you need to refill any of this, no worries, just call down or walk down and you will be assisted. Now, if you've got a larger party, you've got more than 4, we can fit 4 here, just let me know. Guess what? We can do a connecting room, and this is a connecting room. I do that very often when I've got my kiddos with me. I love to come to Disney when my Paigey and Clay can come. It's so fun. We'll be doing that again in December. I love the bathroom here. The door is a barn door. It closes and it has a full-length mirror. So that's pretty cool. So you can get ready in the morning while others sleep. We have a double vanity here. Very nice. And we have the oil rub bronze fixtures. We have H2O products. Our towels are there. Such a really big mirror, lighted mirror, makeup mirror, which is great. Towel rack. Hey, Hurricane Ian's here. And then we've got our tub shower, our potty. Very nice. And I also like these shower doors too. They roll back and forth, which makes it nice. Now we've got a rain shower, which is nice, upgraded. This is a deluxe club level room. And then we also have our H2O products. So nice. Okay. Let's look at I didn't show you the refrigerator. So here's the refrigerator. It does have water already stocked, very nice. And if you noticed earlier, I did ask the club level host to come and get us some water, and he walked me down with it. So that was nice. Now let's look here at the closet. So you have a steamer in the room, which is very nice. You have a safe, and you can set your own safe here. More cabinets. We're going to be here at least, well, we're supposed to fly out on Friday, but the parks are closed today and tomorrow, so we're going to be very comfortable and have lots of fun here, playing games, working, doing that kind of thing. So yeah, all the comforts of home. Here are our hangers. We have a little stand there for our luggage. And on this side, we have a robe, more luggage. We've already put our luggage in there, by the way. And then we have an extra pillow and blanket. So now let's go look. You want to see what Ian looks like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Love the fabric. These rooms have been reimagined recently, so I just really like staying at the Wilderness Lodge. I also like the fact that you can ride the water taxi over to Magic Kingdom, which is very nice. Now Ian is arriving, so here's our Wilderness Lodge view, courtyard view. We do have guests that are still swimming. I love that. You can see it. And if you look there at Bay Lake, lots of waves are coming. Very awesome. I love that you can see the lake here too. And as I mentioned before, it's so easy just to walk out the back by the pool and hop on the water taxi and get directly to Magic Kingdom, which is really nice. The Wilderness Lodge is our best price point when you're looking at a Magic Kingdom resort. So if you're saying, well, I really don't want to pay that high of a price for a monorail resort, maybe Wilderness Lodge would be a good option for you. So when you call me, we can talk about that, look at the different price points, what it means to be on the monorail versus the friendship boats, because they're two totally different things. Of course, I've done them all and would love to chat with you about them and see what works best for your family. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. Please email me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my absolute pleasure to assist you. See you real soon.